What recent data supports the claim that the American economy is improving? You might be surprised how key numbers show steady growth despite ongoing challenges. Recent data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics reveals that the American economy added over 300,000 jobs per month in the last quarter. This strong job growth pushed the unemployment rate down to 3.5%, near historic lows. More people working means increased income and spending power, boosting overall economic health. Industries like healthcare, technology, and manufacturing are leading the hiring surge, signaling a broad-based recovery. Consumer spending, a major driver of the American economy, rose by 0.6% last month, according to the Commerce Department. This uptick reflects growing confidence as people spend more on goods and services like dining, travel, and electronics. Retail sales have been climbing steadily, indicating that households are feeling financially secure enough to open their wallets again. This spending momentum supports business growth and job creation. The manufacturing sector shows promising signs, with output rising 1.2% recently. This growth is crucial since factories produce goods consumed domestically and abroad. Speaking of abroad, U.S. exports have expanded even amid global supply chain disruptions and geopolitical tensions. The ability to export more goods strengthens the trade balance and supports domestic jobs in manufacturing and logistics. Inflation, the pesky rise in prices, has started to ease. The Consumer Price Index recently showed inflation at 4.9%, down from higher peaks earlier this year. Slower price increases mean your dollar stretches further, helping households manage budgets better. Easing inflation also reduces pressure on businesses, allowing sustainable growth without aggressive interest rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. These recent data points reveal a clear picture. The American economy is on a steady path of improvement. Strong job growth, rising consumer spending, manufacturing gains, and easing inflation all signal resilience. Stay tuned and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.